Console gamers would agree with me that running out of storage and having to uninstall games from your console just to make room for another game you want to try can be pretty annoying. Hey buddies, I go by T, I'm a content creator and a tech professional, and on this channel we talk everything tech, home office setups, gaming gear and productivity tools I actually use and find interesting. If that sounds like your kind of thing, subscribe to the channel. I got this SSD from Temu, and today we're finding out if it can actually handle being installed in a PS5. I'll walk you through the installation, get it set up, and then we'll see if this thing is actually worth it. Now, I know some SSDs claim to be compatible with the PS5, but that doesn't always mean they perform well. So I put this one to the test. I installed Black Myth Wukong on the drive and I'm impressed with how this one performed. I barely noticed any lag and I'm not hearing any unusual noise coming from my PS5 either. I'll leave a link to this SSD along with some other brands I recommend in the description below. And if you have any other SSD recommendations for expanding your PS5 storage, let me know in the comments. I'm always interested in hearing what you guys are using. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Follow me over on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and gaming content. Till next time, bye.